welcome back to my channel. So I bring you December's Lookfantastic beauty box unboxing, and I am so excited for this beauty box because look at the packaging on this one. I think it's the most interesting design of the Lookfantastic beauty box that I've seen yet this year. Christmas is always special, so of course they had to come out with a fantastic design. Now I can't believe it, the most cliche thing that I'm going to say time and time again, but oh my god, this year has just flown by. I cannot believe that we are approaching the month of December. I mean, I'm filming this still at the end of November, however, December is just going to creep up on us literally around the corner. It's at the end of this week and I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure how I feel about it, because that means that my exams are creeping up in January, hence why I haven't been uploading a lot on here and over on my socials. But anyway, I've made time to do a Lookfantastic December beauty box unboxing for you today. So as always, there is a quote inside the lid of the beauty box, and this month's one is "At Christmas, all roads lead home, hashtag LF beauty box." That's really cute, still and simple. I really love that quote. So inside, as always, you get your complimentary beauty box magazine. Now sometimes I'm going to refer to this magazine when I have never heard of a product before or introduced to a new brand, but yeah, it's really good for explaining the products that are inside, what you can do with them, how to use them, how much they're worth. So I'm probably going to be referring to this throughout the video, and also it gives you a little January sneak peek. So if you're subscribed to the beauty box, you may want to know that the cooking moisturising serum, a 10ml sample of it that's worth £21.50 is going to be included in the January beauty box. So yeah, looking forward to using that. So as always, forgot to mention that you get a complimentary Elle magazine. This is quite good magazine because I think they're usually retailing around £4 nowadays in the supermarkets and things, so really good value for money getting them inside your beauty boxes. Now just quickly before I start and go and unbox the full contents of the beauty box, I just wanted to mention that if you are interested in subscribing to the Lookfantastic beauty box subscription, then you can use my code CynthiaBB, which I'll leave up on screen here, for a little bit of money off, a little bit of a discount. Each month it seems to change, but I think it's a little bit of a discount. I'll confirm that in the description down below. And also, as it's Black Friday approaching, I thought I'd also share the fact that I've got a 22% discount code. So I'll leave that up on screen now, and I'll also leave that in the description box. So everything will be linked down below if you decide that you want to purchase this beauty box. I think it's a really great gift if you're not really too sure what you want to maybe give to your mum or like a close friend. I think they'd really appreciate this, because just had a little sneak peek inside and oh my god, the products of this month are looking amazing. So enough of that chatter, let's get inside. I hate that bit, ripping the sticker, it's so annoying. Right, okay, wowee. Very pretty and pink inside, loving the contents. Already I can see a few brands that I noticed in there. So let's get started with the first product, and that is the Eyeliner London Fluttery Light, Light and Wispy False Eyelashes. I absolutely love a full set of eyelashes, especially around the party season. Really great for creating like a dramatic look. So these are light and wispy, which are great because you could put them on at night and you can also wear them in the day, maybe if you've got like a little lunch party going on or something. So really looking forward to using these. And Eyeliner is my favourite brand for eyelashes, just because the glue that comes with them pretty good, and the eyelashes that come with them sort of last quite a while, so you don't have to just use them once. You can take off the glue and reuse them again, which is pretty good. So yeah, really excited to putting those on for the party season. Oh, and just quickly, I forgot to mention that the lashes were worth £5.06. So next up inside this month's beauty box is a product from Bumble and Bumble, and here it is. It is a 30ml sort of sample size BB Hairdresser's Invisible Oil Heat/UV Protective Primer. Okay, so it says here how to use: mist over damp hair, focusing on the ends, comb through and style as desired. Now this product is worth £5. So really looking forward to using that. I've tried Bumble and Bubble products before, and they've been very good with my hair, so looking forward to trying this one out. Okay, and next up in this month's beauty box is a product from the brand Prai. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's P-R-A-I, Platinum Firm and Lift Creme. So I've used a product from this brand before. I believe it was in a little purple tub, and it was really nice actually. Smelt gorgeous. So this is a 10ml sample, and it says here in the magazine that it's worth £9. So it's all about rediscovering youthful looking skin. It sort of aims to firm and lift your face. So essentially you use this as a facial moisturizer. So really looking forward to using that, because it says it's rich in antioxidants. This anti-aging moisturizer intensely hydrates skin, which whilst defending against free radicals. Skin looks smoother, younger, and with a fresher, firmer appearance. So really looking forward to using that too. And next up is a brand called Ico London. Now this is something that I've come across many times before. I hate that they've put it in this wasteful packaging. I think it's pretty pointless. But anyway, it is the Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner and Wide Lash. So it says that it's lash enhancing, precision brush, carbon black. I've used Ico eyeliners before, and I really like them actually. I'm actually using an Ico eyeliner today. I think it was like one of the chubby sort of stick ones, but I really like the thin and precise felt tip pen that this one has. So looking forward to using that, and that is worth £9. Okay, and next up we have something from the brand Sleek Makeup. Lookfantastic love including this brand, and I love seeing it appear in the beauty boxes because it is just such a great makeup brand. However, more pointless packaging, not very good. But anyway, this product is worth £8.99, and it says here in the magazine that the shades may vary. So I've got the Au Natural one, so let's have a look at the colours inside. Okay, so there you go. So that's the colour palette that I've got, and I'm really impressed because it's sort of like a lot of browns and nudes in there and a few shimmers, so I can definitely create a lot more neutral sort of makeup looks and a lot more sort of glitzy looks. So really nice, and I'm looking forward to using that. And last but not least, we have a product from Real Chemistry. It is their Luminous 3-minute pill, and you've got 20ml in this sample here that you're given inside the beauty box. Now I've actually tried this product before, and it says here that it's worth £19.88. I don't want to be negative, but I want to be honest with you, and I actually didn't really get along with this product. I don't know, maybe they've improved the formula or something, but essentially it's supposed to, you're supposed to rub it on your face in circular motions, and after a few minutes it's supposed to peel away all the dead skin cells. Now I didn't find that this worked very well for me. However, I'm going to give it another go and see what I think. But different products worked on different people's skin types in different ways, so you never know, it might just have been the way that my skin was at the time, or I just genuinely don't get along with the product. But I'm gonna have another go with this. Anyway guys, that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it and seeing what's inside the December beauty box. Really good box overall, I'd say. Absolutely love the contents of the box. It's definitely worth at least over £50. I'll make sure to leave all of the information linked down below, and I hope you all have a wonderful start to your December and festive season, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!